Yep, that's me, and this is one of the reasons why you need a dashcam. Hello guys, LifeHackster here. Today we will check out the tiniest dashcam from Viofo, the Viofo VS1. This is the no LCD screen version of their A119 Mini 2, or is it? Thank you Viofo for sending me this dashcam to be reviewed. Watch till the end though on what my thoughts are comparing this to the A119 Mini 2, which I did a couple of videos a while back, and I actually really like this dashcam, and I will link those videos, especially the 2 dashcam setup, down below if you haven't seen it yet. This records in 2K or Quad HD quality, 2560 by 1440 pixel resolution at 30 FPS. It has the Starvis 2 sensor, which minimizes light glare at night. This has no screen, but it has voice control. Take photo. Turn off audio.
Voice recording disabled.
Turn off Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi disabled.
Lock the video.
Video protected.
The small form factor is the biggest selling point on this. It is easy to conceal and less obtrusive than other dashcams. It has a 5 GHz Wi-Fi for faster downloading of footage. But you can always remove the microSD card and insert it in your computer to download the footage. That's what I do anyways. It has GPS, and for privacy, I turned it off in this review. It has the usual 24/7 parking monitoring when you hardwire this to your car. But in my setup, I'll just be plugging this into my car's power port, so when the car is off, it is also off. It records to a microSD card, and it comes with a 32GB one, but this is compatible to up to a 512GB card, Class 10 or UHS-1 rating. Also get the high endurance cards if you cannot get the Viofo brand. Inside the box, you will get the dashcam, and yes, it is small. It is not the usual wedge design, and you can adjust it like so. We have the camera lens, and on the side we have the microSD card slot and the mic button to mute or unmute. On the other side we have the USB-C port for power, 3M mounting tape, and on the back we have the protect button, and long press, it will turn on and off the Wi-Fi. We have the 2 transparent films for mounting and the user manual. Trim push tool, we have the power cable, USB-C, around 11.5 feet. USB charger, a short USB-C cable, and it comes with a 32GB card and an extra mounting tape. Let's put in the microSD card, and I'm also putting in a CPL or circular polarizing filter, which is a separate accessory. Installation is pretty easy. Peel off the first liner on the transparent film, then stick it to your windshield. Then peel off the second liner of the film, and then stick the dashcam to the film. This is so that the dashcam can be removed easily if needed. And the film holds the dashcam pretty good. Plug in the cable for power and tuck it into your headliner and route it down to your center console so you can plug it in. And the dashcam should boot up when your car is on, and will give you a voice prompt.
Recording started.
Because this VS1 dashcam doesn't have a screen, the settings can only be changed when it is connected to the Viofo app, which you will see the live view, and now you can see and adjust what the camera is seeing. Gear icon for the camera settings. We have video resolution, only 2 recording options, and I'll just change the bitrate to the maximum. And these are all the other settings that you can change. And as to the voice commands, these are the commands that the dashcam will listen for. Now back to live view, click the file icon for the recordings, and this is where you can download it to your phone. Well, let's check the video quality. So this is the video and audio quality of Viofo's VS1 mini dash camera, and it records in 2K quality at 30 frames per second, and this is what the video quality looks like. And this has the Starvis 2 sensor. This is the video quality at night, and because of the Starvis 2 sensor, hoping that the headlight glare is minimized and we can see the license plate of cars in front of us. Alright, as to comparing this to the Viofo A119 Mini 2, the Mini 2 has some advantages aside from having a screen. Viofo advertises this as a 2K dashcam, but can actually record in higher resolution than the VS1, and that is 2592 by 1944 pixel resolution compared to 2560 by 1440 max of the VS1. And the Mini 2 can also be set with Quad HD resolution, but the frame rate can be bumped up to 60 FPS with HDR off. The VS1 maxes out only at 30 FPS. Also, the funny thing is that Viofo states that both dashcams have a 140-degree field of view, but as you can see in the side-by-side screenshot, that the Mini 2 is definitely wider, even with a narrower 4:3 aspect ratio. And both of these dashcams are about the same price, so I know the VS1 is smaller, but the A119 Mini 2 is pretty small too, but has more features and performs better. And lastly, for my intro teaser, this was filmed by Viofo's A139 Pro. But this is one of the reasons why you need a dashcam. And comment down below, who do you think is at fault here? Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.